Okay, pelvic bone. Today we'll learn about pelvic bone. Pelvic bone is made up of three bones. Three bones joined together to form pelvic bone. First, there are two innominate bones. Then there is one sacrum and one coccyx. So two innominate bones, one sacrum and one coccyx. So pelvic bone is made up of three bones. What are they? Two innominate bones, one sacrum and one coccyx. The innominate bones are called as innominate, that is no name. They have not they don't have any specific name. Why? Because they are made up of three bones which are fused together. So the name of the bones are ilium, ischium and pubic bone. Okay, so the innominate bones are made up of three fused bone, namely ilium, ischium and pubic bone. Okay, the flared part, this part of ilium is called as the flared part of the ilium is called as that is ilium. This flared part of the pubic bone is called as ilium, and it houses the abdominal organs. It gives support to the abdominal as well as pelvic organs as well as abdominal organs are kept, housed here inside the ilium. And the inside ilium there is a small depression. This depression is called as iliac fossa. It is called as iliac fossa. And above the ilium there is a rough portion where when you keep your hands on your hip, जो आप जब हाथ अपनी हिप पे रखते हो, so your palm touches a hard surface, right? That hard surface is called as iliac crest. This is the iliac crest. Okay, and iliac at the superior part, that is anterior part of the iliac crest, there is a small protuberance, एक छोटा सा projection, tiny spinal projection है, उसे हम iliac spine कहते हैं. So there are two projections anteriorly, आगे की तरफ दो projections हैं. एक ऊपर जो iliac crest के साथ ही है ऊपर, उसे हम कहते हैं anterior superior iliac spine, और जो नीचे वाले spine को हम कहते हैं anterior inferior iliac spine. Similarly to these anterior spines, there is posterior spines. So there are two spines there, as posterior superior iliac spine and posterior inferior iliac spine. पीछे की तरफ दो spine होते हैं. So in next picture I will show you that. Okay, now the two ilium is joined to the sacrum through a joint called as sacroiliac joint. This joint is called as sacroiliac joint. Okay, so let us see another photo where you will learn about what happens in detail about other. So let us see if this is the photo or not. Okay, yeah, this is the picture of you can see both anterior superior iliac spine, then there is anterior inferior iliac spine, then there is posterior superior iliac spine and posterior inferior iliac spine. And between this ilium, that is ilium and ischium, this area is ischium. This part is called as ischium and this part is called as pubic bone. The yellow color is ilium, the purple color is ischium, and the red, light orange color here जो red है, slight red, this color is called as this color is pubic, represents pubic bone, part of pubic bone. Okay, now between the ischium and the ilium there is a curve, एक notch, एक छोटा सा curve है, उसे हम कहते हैं greater sciatic notch. It is called as greater sciatic notch. Understood? The rough area, this is iliac crest. iliac crest के आगे जो छोटा सा प्रोट्रूबरेंस है उसे हम एंटीरियर सुपीरियर iliac स्पाइन कहते हैं, और नीचे की प्रोट्रूबरेंस को हम एंटीरियर इन्फीरियर iliac स्पाइन कहते हैं. वैसे ही पीछे की तरफ भी दो छोटे स्पाइंस होते हैं, उसे हम ऊपर वाला को हम पोस्टीरियर सुपीरियर iliac स्पाइन और नीचे वाले को पोस्टीरियर इन्फीरियर iliac स्पाइन कहते हैं. एंड बिटवीन द ilium and the ischium, between the ilium and ischium there is a curve which are called as greater sciatic notch. It is called as greater sciatic notch. Okay, so and this area इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज आला या विंग्स भी हम कहते हैं. दैट व्हेन वी लर्न अबाउट द लैंडमार्क्स, हम जब लैंडमार्क्स के बारे में बात करेंगे तब पता चलेगा. बट दिस इज विंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, इसलिए इसका नाम आला रखा है. बट दिस एरिया इज कॉल्ड एज iliac fossa. इट इज कॉल्ड एज iliac fossa. Okay, now next part we'll see is ischium. The bone we'll learn is about ischium. Ischium. The ischium has a body and there is a small protuberance, a spine-like thing in the posterior aspect. पीछे के पिछले aspect पे एक छोटा सा spine दिखेगा, जिसे हम ischial spine कहते हैं. Okay, so this is ischium. This small protuberance is called as ischial spine, and this hard bone, hard part of the ischium is called as ischial tuberosity. जब आप बैठते हो आपका वेट पूरा ischial tuberosity लेता है. Okay, and here is ischial ramus. This is ischial ramus. Okay, this foramen, this hole is called as obturata foramen. This is called as obturata foramen. Okay, understood. And this fossa, this area, this round area is called as acetabulum cavity. This area is called as acetabulum cavity. And this, I already told you, this part is called as pubic bone. This part is called as pubic bone. Okay, so this pubic bone mainly anterior तरफ of आपके anterior तरफ ही आता है. And this pubic bone में joins together anteriorly two pubic bones, यानी जो two innominate bones की जो pubic bones है वो join करता है at a joint called as symphysis pubis. At a joint called as symphysis pubis. Okay, so this was a basic structure of pelvic bone. Now let us see the here all in all कैसा आता है. So this is sacrum, this is coccyx, this is two innominate bones. This part is called as ilium, this part is called as ischium, this part is pubic bone. This joint ilium, where ilium joins the sacrum, is called as sacroiliac joint. So there are two sacroiliac joint. Okay, and where the two pubic bone join together, this joint is called as symphysis pubis. This joint is called as symphysis pubis. And where sacrum and coccyx join, this area is called as, this joint is called as sacrococcygeal joints. So in pelvic bone you have how many joints? Three kinds of joints, that is two sacroiliac joint, one sacrococcygeal joint, and one symphysis pubis. Next let us see the ligaments of pelvis. Okay, ligaments are connective tissue which connects the bone with each other. So different bones को, so ये mainly आपके joints के साथ होगा. So the ligaments are sacrospinous ligaments. See, sacrospinous ligament, जो ischial spine से लेके sacrum तक जो ligament है उसे हम कहते हैं sacrospinous ligament. If you remember, there is a small protuberance at the back of pelvic bone. मैंने कहा था ischial spine, तो उसके वो और sacrum join होते हैं through a ligament called as sacrospinous ligament. Okay, so next kind of ligament is sacroiliac ligament. There are two kinds of sacroiliac ligament. जो joint को join करता है, sacroiliac joint को join करता है. And there is sacrospinous ligament. Already मैंने sacrospinous ligament के बारे में बोला है. Then sacrum और tuberosity, ischial tuberosity के बीच में भी एक ligament है, उसे हम sacrotuberous ligament कहेंगे. And there is a ligament in the symphysis pubis, that is pubic ligament या symphysis pubis आप कह सकते हो. कह सकते हो. These are the ligaments mainly found. So what are they? Sacrospinous ligaments, sacroiliac ligament, sacrotuberous ligament, and there is symphysis pubic ligament. Okay. So that is the general anatomy. Tomorrow we will learn about the diameters of pelvic bone.